Today we'll learn use of is and are. When we use is and when we use are. So is, when we use is when there is a singular verb. When there is a singular verb. And when we use are when there is a plural verb. Okay, when subject is singular we use is, and when the subject is plural we use are. Suppose Ria is a singular. Ria is an artist. Okay, and subject, when Ria and Mahesh are playing, so there is a plural subject, so we use are. Okay, if subject is everyone, everybody, somebody, something, anybody, somebody, nobody. Whenever the subject is everyone, everybody, somebody, something, anybody, somebody, nobody, somebody, we use are, because we use what we use whenever the subject is everyone, everybody, somebody, something, anybody, somebody, and nobody, we use is, because it is an singular subject. Okay, it appears to be plural, but these are the singular subject, singular verb, so therefore we use is whenever you have this or that or these or those. So this or that is a singular subject, singular subject, therefore we use is. Okay, and these or that is an plural subject, therefore we use are. Okay, here we talk about one quantity, and here we talk about many, therefore are, and here is. Okay, number 3, whenever you have all, some, most, none, then suppose we take example of the data means information. Okay, information means all of the data is all of the information. all of the information or all of the data. Information or data is an uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Therefore always take singular verb. Singular verb. That is is. Okay. Whenever there is uncountable noun, we use is. For example, all of the data or information is correct. Okay, is correct. This is just an example. Some of the information is correct, some of the data is correct, most of the data is correct, none of the data is correct. Okay, now let's take example of countable noun. Okay, so of the reports. So all of the reports are correct. Okay, reports is an countable noun. What is countable noun? We can count this. Therefore, we use plural verb. Plural verb. That is are. Okay. Reports is an countable noun. We can count the number of reports. Therefore, we use are. All of the reports are correct. Are correct. Some of the reports are correct. Most of the reports are correct. None of the reports are correct. So you have to remember one thing: whenever there is a countable noun, we use are because it is an plural verb. Okay, and whenever there is a uncountable noun, we use is. This is an singular verb. All of the concepts with the help of example. So let's take example. Someone dash is here. What is someone? Someone is an singular subject. Therefore, what we use is. Okay, someone is appears to be plural, but it is an singular subject. Okay, so we use is. Next, everybody dash at home. Now same, everybody is an singular subject. Singular subject. Therefore, what we use? We use is. Now next, this chocolate delicious. This is an singular subject, so we use is. Now next, all of the door dash closed. All and doors. Door is an countable noun. Okay, we can count the door, so it is an plural subject. Okay, so we use are. Now some of this information dash correct. Okay, information again. Information is an uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. Therefore, we use singular verb, that is. Some of this information is correct. Okay. Now these dresses dash pretty. These is an plural verb, so we use are. Okay. Now next, dash anybody here means anybody. Here anybody is an singular, so we use is anybody here. Now next, all of the projects dash ongoing. Projects is an countable noun. So we use plural are. All of the projects are ongoing. Next, Hindi dash an easy subject. Okay, so whenever there is subject name Hindi, English, mathematics, Sanskrit, it is an singular subject, so we use is. Okay, so Hindi is an easy subject. Okay, now next, these dash very tricky. As we know, these is an plural, so we use are. These are very tricky. Now next, those mobile phones dash expensive. Those, as we know, those is an plural, so we use are.